Welcome everyone. The following video is a part of Richard Hart's free self-help book, SciVive, Get Rich, Live Forever, the 9 Secrets You Need to Win at Life. Enjoy. TLDR. What useful and effective evolved strategies can be exported to other disciplines and great gains received? Is not the feedback system in eBay a digital execution of what we have in normal human-to-human relationships of trust? Mind you, the eBay account that you're giving your trust to has no face, never invites you to its birthday party. However, the principle still works, and for the same reasons that it works for human-on-human communication. What's up, guys? If you enjoyed that, make sure to download SciVive from the link in the description box below. If you'd like to listen to the full narrated version, head on over to Wild SJ's channel, which is also linked in the description box below. And make sure to check out Richard Hart and all his socials and all the cool stuff he's building over at hex.com, PulseChain, and PulseX. I drop 2 new videos daily at 12 and 4 p.m. Eastern Time, so make sure to check those out. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.